So Bitcoin has been sideways for a few weeks. So the question is, we need the trend is exalted, and then it's going down to retest the support. The biggest support is 74,000, or it keep going up. So I found the two fractals that may support the next price action as soon as next week for Bitcoins. So this is the current price action of Bitcoin in 8-hour chart. As you can see, it's based on Elliott Wave theory. It has been finished like wave 1, 2, 3 correction, and then it tried to make a high low, and today or tomorrow we make a higher high, breaking the 104,000 to break the all-time high. So yeah, one side the market I can see like they have the heavy back. So everyone like pretty concerned if it's go down to like hunting the stop loss before going up again, or it just go straight up. So yeah, so the first fractal is in 2023 November and December last year. The price action is very, I would say, almost exactly the same in terms of the price fluctuation around 7 to 10% from the local top and local bottom, and then it's sideways but leaning up accumulation phase. We call it the high ties accumulation. So why I say similar, because the wave correction is halfway. So if you count the way up and way down, and the number you can see it's way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After it done the way number 9, it starts slowly going up to like around 20 to 30% from this accumulation level. Go back to the current price. Let's count the way 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it's exactly or it's similarly the same wave pattern. And let's check out the RSI. It's overbought around 100K, because 100K is the mental resistance. Everyone think it's important, but I think it's just the way people imagine is important, because it's a very big and beautiful number, 100,000. But Bitcoin have much more potential because of the fundamental going to next year when the Trump as the pro Bitcoin become the president, and the SEC gonna change their management into the one that support Bitcoin and crypto. So in 100K, it's because of the imaginary resistance, and of course in the technically it's a little bit oversold at that point, and after a few weeks of correction, the RSI now come down and reasonable level. The red line over here is like a volatility, right? So the volatility pattern is 1 up, 2 up, 3 up, and the third one down make it very low volatility and slowly grinding up. Compared to last year, it's the same. After the RSI reach overbought level, it calm down and go to reasonable level. And the red line over here is the volatility, 1 up, 2 up, 3 up, and then it calm down before it's grinding up. Yeah, and not only that, I found very similar fractals, but in 2016, November, December, the same November, December. How is that possible? Let's count the way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So after the 9 wave correction, it leaning up. It make high, 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 low. The volatility going pretty down compared to when you pick the resistance here, and then it's slowly grinding up. So far, the best or the most fitted patterns or fractals compared to the current price actions, only two what I found. and both of them success, it going up. If you take a look at 2023, after the grinding, it's go up 20% sideways and a little bit up, and before it go to mid correction. And in the 2016, after grinding, it go to parabolic to like 50% before it the big correction. So beyond that, the price for Bitcoin in the next or 2 weeks could be go to 120k to 150k. In my opinion, it's very likely to go to 120k. And if it can go to 150k, it can be a very quick week, and you need to have a limit or the sell to fit it. Or if you using Bitcoin ETF or even Bitcoin future, it's hard to catch that week. So reasonable or high probability that Bitcoin can go to 120k to 135k. But if the FOMO come with the media, social media, they pushing, the price can go all the way to 150k before its correction. For the healthy of the next way up, I don't think Bitcoin gonna done at top at 120k or 50k. I think this time we go to 250k or 240k to be exact, based on my model and analysis. But to do that, to be healthy to for the next way up, I think it's better to go around 120 to 30k, and then correction to 100k. So now a lot of money to Bitcoin via the ETF, and so for them to hold it longer, it's better to lower correction. That's why the current cycle Bitcoin correction is less than almost 25%, 20%. The big one is like 30%, but for a week, and when the daily close, it's 25%. Not compared to another cycle in the past, it's like 35 or 40% correction. So with 20% correction and quickly reverse and continue up, the people who bought ETF and very comfortably hold it for longer. So if it go to under 20k or under 30k, this the next way to the end of this year's, and the correction to 20 to 25k to 100k, it's going to be very, very healthy. And it's set up for the next rally up to 240k. But at this time, it go to 150k, and to correction to 100k, it's going to take like 33 or 35%. It's going to be the big, I mean, maybe a lot of money going to be, people will be scared. Maybe they're not taking a correction, and it make it longer and harder to recover. Okay, let's see. So let's hope the fractal become true for the next Bitcoin price action, and Bitcoin go to under 20k in the next or 2 weeks. See you for the next update. Bye.